is Sara Vallejo, and I am working in the ConsenCUS project to capture carbon dioxide and facilitate the transition to a carbon-neutral future. Here at VETSUS, the European Center of Excellence for Sustainable Water Technology, we are working in the lab to optimize, design, and upscale a solution for industries where carbon dioxide emissions are hard to abate. In this technology, we use an alkaline absorbent to capture carbon dioxide from flue gas. This alkaline solution is then regenerated using a novel electrodialysis cell that also purifies the carbon dioxide. The purified stream can then be stored underground or converted into added value products. In this way, ConsenCUS is helping to mitigate climate change and contributing to the advancement of a circular carbon economy.